After the recent downing of the US drone and tanker attacks blamed on Iran, this latest incident is further escalating tensions. The seizure of the Grace 1 by UK Special Forces is the first time one of Washington's European allies has so publicly enforced the US oil embargo against Iran and EU sanctions against Syria. According to Spain, which claims the Rock of Gibraltar as their own, the UK acted following a tip-off from Washington.
Naturally, we are aware of this operation. Police patrol boats were guarding the area, but we are studying the circumstances in which it happened. It was a demand by the United States of the United Kingdom, and we're looking into how it affects our sovereignty, because it happened in what we understand are Spanish waters.
Iran has responded angrily and remains defiant. Tehran has already exceeded limits on uranium enrichment set by the nuclear deal that Washington abandoned a year ago. An Iranian senior commander tweeted this after the seizure of the ship, saying, "In its 40-year history, the Islamic Revolution has never initiated conflict in any arena, but has never hesitated or doubted itself when responding to bullies. If Britain does not release the oil tanker, then it's the authorities' duty to take action in kind and seize a British oil tanker." Washington is delighted that an ally is enforcing the oil embargo. Hawkish US National Security Advisor John Bolton tweeted, "Excellent news. UK has detained the supertanker Grace 1 laden with Iranian oil bound for Syria in violation of EU sanctions. America and our allies will continue to prevent regimes in Tehran and Damascus from profiting off this illicit trade." Tensions with Tehran continue with no talks in sight and no relief for Iran from crippling sanctions. And addressing Iran tensions at the White House Friday, US President Trump said, "We'll see what happens with Iran," and then added, "Iran has to be very, very careful." Nathan King, CGTN, Washington.